Welcome. If you want to use AdBlock on your Samsung Galaxy M21, I recommend you to get Opera Mini browser. So let's go for the Play Store, then tap on the search, go for the Opera Mini, click on this application and just click on the download button. Right now we can open this application and right now I'm going to show you how it works. Here we can find the partnership with the AdBlock Plus, so we don't have to connect any external application. Click on the continue, all and continue, and right now we can enter this website. And here we have the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it is thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. Let's click on it, we got it. Let's check for the ads here. There's no ads, and if you click right here you will find the number of the ads blocked. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.